Okay, here is my first Lego building and my interpretation of the Dunder Mifflin Scranton branch in its entirety, which means that I have used 8 32 by 32 gray base plates and created the second floor of the office building. In my interpretation, we'll start at the entrance door where we see Dave Wallace and Jan Levinson entering. Jan is in her usual angry state. We get to reception. Right now, Erin is manning the reception. She has her pen from the shipment that came in. Oh, there's the teapot that Pam has left. There's a candy dish. There's Pam holding her best mum mug. Let's swing on over to Michael's office. Oh, that is Todd Packer, and I think he left a little, yes, there is a little package he has left for Michael. There is a Dunder award back there. Here is the entrance to his office. And there's Jim. He's got his wedding license and the wedding ring. There's Michael with his best boss mug. There's Dwight as we get over to sales. Dwight, for some reason, has a beat and his gaydar. Wow, he has a machete on his desk. He has his own bobblehead figurine and his megaphone as the person in charge of fire safety at the office. There's his briefcase also. Jim seems to have on his desk the bobblehead of the Philadelphia Phillies backup catcher. Let's go. Well, there's Holly Flax taking notes, trying to get used to the office. There's Phyllis. She has her umbrella. And she wants to remind us that the first 30 minutes are always the slipperiest. There's Stanley. He has a crossword puzzle. I think there's a Stanley nickel on top of his desk there, as well as a pretzel. Well, there's Andy Bernard. He has his guitar and microphone. Oh, and his graduation certificate from Cornell. And an extra microphone over there in his coffee mug. Wow. Here is the conference room. Oh, there's Nellie Bertram for some reason. And hiding out in the back is Robert California.